Okay, let's see if we can't get this figured out. Okay. There's 3 screws on the back, but I think it's just this top screw. There's one on this side, one on the other side. I think it's just the top one. I forget now. It's been a while. This should swivel down, I'm thinking. Nope, I guess I do have to undo the side ones too. And I guess you just have to be kind of careful because, see, there's a piece of glass in there. Oh, I see what it is. Oh, that's right. These side screws have a washer here, and the washer, oh, okay. Washer holds this on, and then this glass just kind of comes off. That's right. Okay, so I'm going to have to be careful to put that back on, make sure it flops up the exact same way. That's what's going to happen when you haven't had to replace this for a while. And the reason why I'm showing you this is just because last time I had to replace this bulb, it was hard to come out. The end broke off, and I had to kind of fish it out of there. And see, there's not much light in here, and that's another reason why I'm doing this, is so I can use my construction light to finish installing this ceiling fan in here. And right now I don't really need my gloves, do I? To take this off, one of these sides, it has a spring-loaded goodie, only one side, so I have to kind of grab it and either push it that way or grab it and push it this other way. And I can't remember, okay, there it is. It's pushing that way and then swiveling this out, so I got to remember to put it back in that same way over on that side, and then you have to kind of feel for where the little prong goes, because it has to fit in that little concaved area, and if you don't have it in there just right, it's not going to fit. See there, that one really didn't last very long, and it was because, like I said, that was only a 300 watt or a 250. Okay, so I only want one bulb out of there, so I'm going to try to do it to where I don't have to pull that other one out. Oh, I think I could just pull this backside off. I should have checked that. Okay. I guess the whole thing peels back. But I'm just going to try to peel one side back just a little bit to get one bulb out, if I can. That way I don't have to mess with the other one, okay? So now I got to be careful with this, right? I really don't want to get my fingers on it. Now if you get your fingers on it a little bit, it should be, I don't know, it should be okay to a certain extent, but I don't want to get just that little bit of grease on my finger, you know? So let's see here. Okay, so it should be, I gotta find out where that little thing is, okay. There. See, there's still some springiness there. So you have to make sure you get it set up proper. Okay, I'm just gonna leave the camera roll. I'm gonna take it over there. Before I put this back together, I want to make sure that's right, and I'm pretty sure it is. Okay, that way I can plug this in, and I can't remember when it burned out, if I pressed the red button or not. Okay, I did. See how bright that is? Look at that. Good grief, that's plenty of light. All right, now I'm going to turn it off with the button. I always like to do that before I unplug it, if I remember. Okay, because it'll make your bulb last longer. I was surprised. I had one that was fairly new, and the thing burned out in like less than a month. I was using it a lot though at the time. Okay, so okay, it should fit wherever I have it held. Okay. I just make it snug. You don't want to make it so tight that you crack the glass or anything. And I'm not even sure why they have little screws and stuff on the sides. They don't really need them. But it comes with a little washer, and the washer, I think, fits right up next to the glass. Yeah, fits up next to the glass and not the orange frame of the light. Okay. All right, that's pretty much all there is to it, huh? That's it. And now I've got one extra bulb for later. And I didn't have to open the pack. You don't want to open the pack and then have it get messed up somehow, right? Okay. All right. There you go. The halogen bulb. The halogen bulb. Okay, I've got an extra one for another time. I'll have to store that, and whenever I use this, if I leave the house, I should take that with me, shouldn't I? Okay. Well, simple as that. Now you know. Okay, so enough of that. Time to install this ceiling fan. Can you believe that? I got 1 minute left on my SIM card of this whole thing. I thought I'd had plenty of time, but hey, if I can do it, you can do it. Remember that.